Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am working on my third Benable list and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So welcome, welcome, welcome. This list is a list I've already went ahead and created. It is my Halloween list since Halloween is right around the corner. So I figured, why don't I just go ahead on my lunch hour at work and just complete this, especially now that I have like a tablet and I have a phone where I can go back and forth and look at different things I'm researching and really get a sense of what is popular out there. So remember, here is my invite code. Go ahead and use it so you're not on the waiting list, right? So this list is my Halloween, my Halloween costumes list. It's not only adult. I also have some items in here that are really popular among the kids. It's only a couple things. And fake blood. Did not know that was as popular as it is. And how did I realize that it was popular? I went and decided to do my research on Amazon after watching someone's live, which is her live was on TikTok, explaining the different things that she's doing with Benable, and she showcased all of her Benable list that she has been doing for the past few days. And so far she has about 102 or something like that. Forgive me guys. I have tried to record this video at least 3 times. Okay. So just really quick, I just wanted to show you guys where I got the ideas based on what I saw on her TikTok live, right? So she had a lot of popular items, which got me thinking I need to go to sites like Amazon or Target and look at their holiday items that's coming up, Halloween that's coming up, New Year stuff that's coming up, like planners and stuff like that, and get different ideas of different gifts I can get. And on top of that, I'm doing 33 items per list because that's the number I want to go for. And I want to do a list every day, right? So with that said, what's going to make it a lot easier for me when I have those moments of like brain fatigue or brain fog is just to look for bestsellers and anything that's trending. So a lot of the items that I have in this Halloween list are items that are trending or they have the 5 stars, 5 stars or 4.5 stars, and they seem to be really popular. And some of them even have videos to go along with their items when I choose them, when I take the description of it, click and paste it over here to create a new item. They always seem to have a video, and if they don't, well, at least it's either a 5 star or 4.7 out of 5 stars type of item where it is popular enough for someone to click on it, right? So this is where I have been going to find all the trending items, and I recommend you guys do the same thing too. We're not all going to have the same list, and I have similar lists and similar tastes, but you can do something as simple as, okay, I want to do different living room styles. Or you might say, I want to do different living room color styles, and you might have an overall living room theme. And then underneath it, you might say, oh, this is what a red living room would look like. This is what a red bathroom would look like. And so on, right? Or pink living room, pink bathroom, and give like different ideas. Just make sure you have like an overarching idea of what you want to create for your list. And then underneath it, different ideas, like what I've been doing in my Notion, and just list out what you want to do underneath it. So it's almost like, I don't know if you guys remember a web diagram back in the day. In the in the middle, I had Halloween as a theme, and those little like lines that go out of the web. The ideas that came to me were adult, women, men, kids, Halloween parties. and so on. And then I figured, okay, if I want to make sure I have enough of those 33 items and I'm already limited in the way that I'm thinking about certain things, and I'm like, I have work, I have school. I was like, I'm just gonna make this simple on myself and put the all the adult costumes and kids costumes in one little list on its own. That's the Halloween costumes. And then when it comes to the items that are for kids, those are the most popular ones. So I'm like, I'm not going to have any issues of getting those, right? So that has its own list. And then Halloween parties, I've been to a couple. There might be some items that are there, and honestly, if I feel like I really can't get as many as the 33 goal that I want to reach, I can just put it to the side and move on to any one of these other items and just make sure it's like a theme that hasn't come up yet. So my next theme after this is probably going to be the holidays in terms of like Thanksgiving or Christmas, which is somewhere down here. I'll just drag it up. You can do that with Notion. Thank God for Notion. I'll drag it up and keep those items together and say, okay, well, can't think of anything for Halloween parties, but I can definitely think of items for Christmas, and I will just move on to that and consider Christmas gifts for men, Christmas gifts for mom, Christmas gifts for my grandpa, and so on and so on. Okay. It's amazing. Looking at this initially, you're like, okay, this is just way too much. But like once you get the hang of it, of just going from one page, creating the item, going over here, doing the research, and just clicking it and copying it and bringing it back over here for the system to actually search it, find an item that's similar, and then you create your little notes and move on. I'm telling you, it is the easiest thing. And I think with me having two screens in the system of now, just look for the best new releases and gift ideas for this season, I'll be fine. Okay. And you will too. So again, reach out, get the invite code, and start creating your list so that you can then turn around and send your link to others and get you a little commission kickback. Okay. It's a little bit, but a little bit adds up. All right. So if you guys felt like this was so useful, please go ahead, like, share, comment, and let me know if there's any list that you guys think that I should create that you would like to see. All right, bye.